In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart to the product page in Shopify Sense theme. We'll use a clean, no-app method that relies on a Shopify page, and if you want per-product control, a simple product meta field. This approach keeps everything native to Shopify, easy to manage, and flexible, whether you prefer one global chart for all products or a unique chart for specific items. First, create the size chart content as a standard Shopify page. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Pages, and click Add Page. Give it a clear title like Size Chart so it's easy to find later. In the Content area, build your chart. This can be a table with measurements, an image, or a combination of sizing notes and conversion guidance. Keep units consistent and include any fit tips your customers need. When you're happy with it, save the page. If you plan to assign different charts to different products, set up a meta field. Go to Settings, then Custom Data, choose Products, and click Add Definition. For the type, select Page Reference. Name it something obvious like Size Chart so your team recognizes it. Save the meta field definition. This creates a field on each product where you can choose a size chart page. Now assign the chart to your products. Open a product in Shopify admin, scroll to the meta fields section, and in the size chart field, select the page you created. Save the product. Repeat this for any product that needs a specific chart. If you're using a single global chart for every product, you can skip assigning it per product. Next, connect the chart in your theme so customers can access it. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your Sense theme. Open a product page template. In the left sidebar, locate the variant picker block. This is where size options and related links live. In that block's settings, find the size chart page setting. If you're using one chart for all products, select your size chart page. If you set up the meta field for per-product charts, choose the meta field instead. Save your changes. Finally, test it on your storefront. Visit a product page on both desktop and mobile. You should see a size chart link or button near the size selector. Clicking it will either open a pop-up or load the chart page, depending on how the Sense theme is configured. If you don't see it right away, double-check the variant picker settings and make sure your product has a chart assigned if you're using the meta field. That's it. Your size chart is now live and easy for customers to use.